Okay, let's tackle rhythm quiz number 3. So the first thing we want to do, of course, is write in the counting like we've done before. Let's look at the time signatures. So 3 quarter notes in a beat now, right? We know that. Now you see these ties here. That's something new. And then there's a dot over here. There's some new stuff in here. So what we want to do is just ignore those for now. Let's go ahead and write in the counting. So here's 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about that tie that connects the two together. Let's just go again. 1, 2, and 3. And 1 and 2, it's a half note, so it's worth 2 beats. 3. There's 1 again. 2 and 3. And now we have a dotted half note. So the dot is worth half of the note that it's with. So if we know that this is worth 2 beats, right? So that's 1, 2. And what's half of 2? 1. So that's a whole nother beat. There we go. Also, it just makes sense because look, this takes up the whole measure. If you look all the way over here, well, that must be 3 quarter notes. And then we do it again, 1, 2, 3. Again, putting the dashes to connect everything. Now, really important here that we look at the ties. So way back here, we've got a tie, and we want to make sure that we put those together. So 3 and 1 become one note. And the other ties, right here, 2, 3 is tied over to 1, so connect that together. And all this becomes one note, so let's connect that together, okay? How's that sound? Like this. And ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you played it with an instrument that could sustain all these notes right here, like the piano, it would sound like this. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1. 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay, so now you see how the tie works, these ties and the dots. Let's do this one down here. Now this one down here, you notice already has the counting in for it. Not sure how that happened actually. And these ands, they're the fancy ands, but still the same thing. So sorry about the phone there. We're going to keep going. Just ignore that phone and see what happens. So 3, now this is weird, right? It's like it doesn't even have all 3 beats in it. Well, it actually has the last beat. It's called a pickup. So it goes 3 and 1, okay? And then 2, there's 2 now. What's half of a whole beat? Well, a half a beat. So it's like a math problem, right? 1.5 beats here. That's why it's got 1, 2, and then half of 3, and then there's the and of 3. There's 1. And now they've put all the ands in there just for the fun of it. You don't really need those, but 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, there's another one with a dot. 1, there's the 2 and 3. 1, 2, what happened to 3? Well, 3 is way over here. See how that kind of connects all together? We still actually have all the beats and all the measures, but it started with a pickup, this part right here. So, how does that sound when we clap it? And here we go. Ready, go. 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. And I just realized something really important they have to make sure we do here that we couldn't really show on that because it was crowded. But like this was tied together, right? So I should have put a little dash to tie those. And these were all tied together. That should have just been a dash to 3, like that. Okay, this one here was connected to 2. That should really be a dash. So we're just connecting all the notes that are sustained together. How does it sound on the piano? Let me show you guys. And ready, go. 3 and 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And the infomercial on the phone was free. Hope this helps.